zombie. The legend of Demo Grave Digger.
Lego long legs.
Duplo dummy. Give him a cheer.
Start your engines. It's the first round. Zombie versus Screen Crush. And Zombie takes it.
Lego Lexo Chester and Grave Digger. And Grave Digger takes it on a fighter. Scooby-Doo and Hurricane Force. That was too easy.
Colorful Lego long legs versus Duplo dummy. Now it's Lego no legs.
Last four. We start with Zombie and Grave Digger. Disappointed for the zombie fans, Grave Digger takes it.
Long legs is taking on Scooby-Doo. Long legs, where are you? It's Scooby-Doo.
The last two is Digger and Scooby-Doo. Now there's final you've all been waiting for. Get ready! Let's go!
Scooby puts Grave Digger away.
Scooby-Doo